What was it like growing up in the Great Depression?
That was very hard, mainly because my father was a smoked fish salesman. And smoked fish in those days, which he delivered to appetizing stores, they were like Zabars is now. It was a luxury. People did not have a lot of money. And they stopped buying smoked fish and whitefish and carp, all those delicacies. So he was not making a lot of money, and he would come home with leftovers in his unrefrigerated truck, and that's what we were eating. We were eating very well, but we couldn't pay the rent, which was $35 a month for a Brownsville apartment, two-bedroom apartment. It was, I remember, I have memories of the landlord coming in and saying, "Mrs., where's the rent?" And my mother would say, "Tomorrow." I remember being ashamed to go to the grocery store because we didn't have cash. And we each had a page in the book. And we would buy, my mother would send me with a little list, like 2 ounces of butter, 3 eggs. If she wanted to bake something, she had to buy exactly the ingredients. I didn't have the money to pay for it, so we'd write in the book how much we owe him, and hopefully at the end of the week, if my father brought home money, we were able to pay what was on that page. But I knew there was something shameful about that, and I was not happy to go. And when my little sister was old enough, we sent her, because I refused. I was too embarrassed to go and said, "Put it in the book."